A renowned Minnesota hospital is now offering a life-altering and controversial surgery.
Mayo Clinic in Rochester began performing female gender affirmation surgeries last year. Since then, nearly 200 people have undergone the irreversible transformation. Mayo is one of a few hospitals in the country that offers such a surgery. It's a service of the clinic's transgender and intersex specialty care clinic, which provides patients with everything from mental health support to hormone therapy. WCCO's Mary McGuire spoke with one woman and her doctor about the highly sought-after surgery.
I don't think being trans will ever fully 100% go away from me.
Growing up in Cottage Grove, Alisha knew something wasn't quite right. She didn't feel at home in the body she was born with.
It wasn't a snap, I think I'm going to have surgery one day. It's I have to think about, weigh every single option after I'm done with.
After seeing a team of doctors at Rochester's Mayo Clinic, she decided that gender affirmation surgery was the only way for her to align her body and her mind.
Yes, so it was about 9 months or so from the beginning.
This spring, she spent her college graduation day in a hospital bed, recovering from an extremely painful procedure which transforms male parts into female ones.
I figured out if I can put up with it for a few months, then it's worth it for the rest of my life, because now I'm free to do whatever I want.
Yeah.
Seeing patients like Alisha flourish is one of the best parts of endocrinologist Dr. Todd Nippolt's job.
It's a very rewarding type of medicine to perform.
He says the clinic performed 40 female gender affirmation surgeries last year and is currently scheduling about 2 per week.
So there are a lot of people who wanted to have the surgery, but for a variety of reasons just couldn't have it done. And with our clinic opening up, it's an opportunity here in the Midwest to have this done.
The requirements to receive this surgery are extensive. A patient must have letters from mental health and hormone providers. They also must have lived as the gender they identify with for at least a year.
They're very happy.
Mayo offers much more than just surgery. They are a one-stop shop for patients, offering everything from voice therapy to facial feminization operations. While the popularity of the procedure appears to be growing, Dr. Nippolt acknowledges it is a somewhat controversial field of medicine.
To be honest, there's probably a fair amount of personal views that aren't expressed just because it's not politically correct to express it these days.
He believes being transgender isn't a choice and equates it to being left or right-handed.
They're just born that way, and that's it. You can't change it because it can't be changed.
The clinic is expanding their surgical care offerings and is on track to perform its first male gender confirmation surgery in 2019.
It's like the final puzzle piece. It's the end of the world that you've been building up to for years.
Reporting in Rochester, Mary McGuire, WCCO 4 News.